you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Guys, today I am in the mood for a ponytail, but my hair is not long enough to slick into a ponytail. So what I did to get my hair to smooth down was grab my hair, put a little ponytail just in the top, and the rest of my hair cannot reach that ponytail. But I got my hair to smooth down and to stay slicked down the way you see it now. Now I'm going to tell you now, if you want baby hairs with this ponytail, you better take it out right now, because once this hair dry, it is not moving anywhere. Now I want you to watch to the end, because through the whole video I will be giving you tips on how to slick down your TWA. Now here I am showing you just how short my hair is, and it is not going to reach that ponytail at all. But that is not a problem at all. Now the first product that I am going to apply is some Echo Styling Gel. I like using this gel because it doesn't irritate my scalp and it doesn't dry out my scalp. This Echo Styling Gel is alcohol free and it has olive oil in it. So throughout the video I am going to show you some important things that you are going to need to know to get your TWA to stay down. This slick down lasted for 4 days, guys, 4 days. Now after we apply the gel to our hair, you see right here, my hair cannot reach that rubber band, but that is not a problem. And you see how my hair is holding. But we want it to be even better than that. So one of the things that I am going to do is I'm going to switch out this comb. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. Also, to my ride or dies, hey y'all, what is up? I am reading you all's comments, and this is why I am bringing you all this video. Now, as you see, I combed some of the gel through my hair. I switched out the comb, and my hair stayed in place. But we are not going to stop there. We are not going to stop there. I am going to show you an even better way to make your hair stay in place. Now this is the second product that I am using. This has got to be glue styling gel, but it's for spiked hair. Now we are going to put a little bit in our hand and we are going to place that directly on top of the Echo Styling Gel. And you are just going to work it in. As you see here, it hasn't even turned clear yet and our hair is holding. Now there's some other steps that I want to show you how to make this style stay. I had this style in my hair for 4 days and it did not budge. As you see here, none of my hair is being put into that rubber band and it is staying up on its own. Now the reason why this mixture is so good for me is because I can't use Got to Be Glue directly on my hair because it will irritate my scalp. So putting down the Echo Styling Gel with olive oil in it and alcohol free, my hair did not itch and my hair did not feel dried out. Now you're going to keep smoothing out your hair to your preference, but I'm going to tell you, this comb plays a big role in how smooth our hair is going to get. Now the small part of this comb, the teeth are closer together and that allows the hair to come together nicely. The back of the comb is what I'm using to smooth the hair out. The wider part of this comb, where the teeth are more spread apart, that is what I use to detangle my hair before even trying to slick my hair up. So I like using this all-purpose comb. And look at that. I did not have to put my hair in the band. So we are just working our way around our hair, making sure everything is right. But I am going to give you all a few more tips on how to get the ultimate slick down on your TWA. Now we are almost to the end of the video. We only have this small section here to go. Like I said before, we haven't pulled any of our hair up into that rubber band because it will simply not reach. We are going to repeat the process. Now what you're going to do is grab your comb again and use the wider part of that comb and detangle your hair and smooth it up in position. Now we are close to the end of the video, you all. At this point, I hope you have considered subscribing, and I hope you have hyped the video and thumbs up this video as well. Now, all while we were taking our hair in sections and using the Got To Be glue and the Eco Styling Gel, we had a blow dryer going, blowing on our hair. That helped it stay in place. But also, if the Got To Be glue get too sticky for you and you want to continue to have your hair smooth, then you can use some water. Here my hair is smooth, but I want to keep rubbing on my hair for the wavy part. So you can get you some water, spray it on your hand, and go over your hair. Well guys, that is it for me today. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know. You already know I'm going to answer you back. I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Go over there and show your girl some love. Comment, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well. And I am going to see you guys in the next one. Mwah. So much. Guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.